Hey, it's Cory Boldroff, your real estate planner here at Simi Valley at one of my new listings, 2518 Lowell Court. It's on a cul-de-sac, right next to a park, close to freeways, shopping, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, plus an office, over 1,700 square feet. Come on in, let's go check it out. Come on in. So this home has been totally transformed and remodeled to your liking. Has recessed lighting throughout, vinyl wood floorings, and a wide open floor plan. So we have a formal living room, formal dining room, and a family room with a brand new fireplace. Conveniently located kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Can't wait for you to call this home. So what's cool about this layout is the bedrooms are totally separated from the living quarters. So we have 2 guest bedrooms on the left-hand side and the master bedroom on the right-hand side. So we have indoor laundry and a fully remodeled guest bathroom with dual sink vanities, quartz countertops, and a shower and tub. So it's a really nice sized master bedroom with vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, ceiling fan, walk-in closet, and a freshly remodeled, beautiful master bathroom. I almost forgot to tell you, there's an office right here, right off the front door, that could easily be converted to a 4th bedroom. What a way to spend Southern California living at its best. Perfect part is you got a park right down the street. You can take your kids, pets, whatever you want down there, but your backyard is perfectly manageable, easy to come home to and relax. So I hope you liked it. 2518 Lowell Court here in Simi Valley. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, totally remodeled for your liking. Hurry up and come on over. No, hurry.